been working at ProtoCAM for 5.5 years now. Previously worked in electronics manufacturing. I came to work here when ProtoCAM had the need for another project engineer. ProtoCAM was in business since 1994. At that point in time, I was 10 years old. So I've been a part of ProtoCAM for a long time now. Ever since I was little, I actually worked here during the summers and my time off at ProtoCAM in the shop, doing everything from post-processing the 3D printed parts to RTV molding to doing maintenance around the building, you name it. I'm a hands-on type person and kind of just following in the footsteps of our CEO, Ron. My role here at ProtoCAM has a lot of different hats. Number one, I do a lot of quoting, interaction with the customers as the project engineer. I also am the shop manager, so we take care of all the guys in the shop that do all the post-processing, the molding, machine maintenance, all that. With the high level of customer service that we have here at ProtoCAM, being able to talk to your project engineer, if you have any questions on your quotation, we're here to help educate, explain, change the quote, however you need to get your project done. That's what we're here to do. And there's so many different processes nowadays. There's new processes. Pretty much every year we get a new process in here that's on the cutting edge of technology, and customers need to be educated on that. We're very active at all the trade shows, and we're very active with all the high-level machine manufacturers, so we're always learning and well aware of what the next 3D printing technology is.